Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Today we will learn how to talk about your hobbies in English. One of the most common topics in speaking tests, interviews, and conversations. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. What is a hobby? A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. Examples: reading, cooking, gardening, painting, watching movies, traveling. Part 2. Vocabulary practice. Reading books, playing cricket, listening to music, drawing pictures, watching movies, taking photos, cycling, while playing guitar. Part 3. Sentence patterns. My hobby is dash. I love to dash. In my free time, I enjoy dash. I often spend my time dash. Part 4. Example sentence. My hobby is gardening. It helps me relax. I enjoy playing football with my friends. Reading is my favorite way to spend time. Part 5. Your turn. Now it's your turn. Write down 3 sentences about your hobby. Practice saying them aloud. Confidence will come with repetition. So, like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. Keep learning, keep speaking. Thank you very much.